This drum set sounds like crap. Ross, let me just tune this bass drum. This is the AC/DC album. Why do you think I brought you in?
Okay, so that's a gigantic bass drum for a 5-year-old's drum kit.
Hey everyone, it's Jared here, and I've seen so many of these toy drum sets show up on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, and I'm gonna bring in audio guru, that is Victor Guidera, and Victor is gonna help me take this from sounding like a piece of crap to something that you can actually record and play with real music. So Victor, why don't you come on in here? This drum set sounds like crap, but let's get started on the tuning here, okay? It sounds like, come on, what can you do about that, man?
This is, I guess, just how it came from the store or the marketplace.
Well,
I don't even know.
Ross, behind the camera here, he
bought it?
He bought it for
right
$50, and he actually said before we started that I have to give him $50 for it. I said, I don't really want it. Normally I might add some muffling if I noticed a bit of a ring. Okay, let's try the tom here. Okay, so what do we got here? How do you tune toms? Hey, that's not bad.
Yeah. It's all like a flavor thing, but this isn't a, AC/DC album or whatever the heck, so yeah.
Hey, come on, man.
Yeah.
Let's put our best foot forward. This is the AC/DC album. Why do you think I brought you in? Okay, snare drum, tom. I like the tom.
Nice. Totally.
Okay, bass drum. The bass drum is pretty floppy. Ross, let me just tune this bass drum.
Tension. Honestly, it doesn't need a lot going on here. I think just to knock that head down just a little bit.
So what are you doing? You just
I'm making a
taping up
smiley
like crazy?
face. Yeah, I'm making a smiley face.
Oh, I was like, what's he doing down there? Arts and crafts
Well,
session?
why not? Like,
sounds amazing. So let's do another test. You heard it off the beginning. Now listen to it now without any mics, just with our overhead. Let's get some microphones on here. Fast forward the video, Ross. So now we got the drum set mic'd up.
this looks hilarious.
We've done no EQ. We've done no EQ, right? You ready, Christy? Yeah! Pretty fire.
Sounds good.
All right, we're in the studio, and now we're bringing up the track. What are you noticing when you play back?
Yeah, it does sound really good.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it sound way better.
Yeah, I want the bass drum to sound
Totally.
like an actual bass drum. There's some bottom end on that.
There is, and then the sub kick.
Oh, okay. So you're
Right.
gonna boost that.
Oh, yeah. So I'm gonna mute the snare still, listen to the overheads, the full kit, and just mix with just the faders and panning. So we pan the overheads out.
Yeah.
Hard left and right I'm gonna go. And then let's hear a little bit of reverb.
Yes, a little bit less. It's a little bit much. There you go. That sounds good. Wow.
What we can do with each microphone is equalize them or EQ them and compress them. So what I'm looking for is what I don't like in the drum, and I try to cut that out, and then I listen for what I do like, and then I boost that or accentuate that. Okay, so that's a gigantic bass drum for a 5-year-old's drum kit.
Right.
So I'm just gonna look at the snare really quick, and then I'm just gonna sweep and see what I don't like, if I don't like anything. compression, full kit.
Yeah. There we go. Oh my goodness.
Right?
No one would ever know.
Okay, let's check out that tom. As Jared reminded me, I forgot about the little tom.
That sounds so good.
Awesome.
Victor, now we've got it dialed in. Let's put it to a song
Let's do it.
and actually hear how it sounds in the context of playing music. Okay?
Awesome.
I'll go in there, you stay in here.
Sounds great.
Well, so, how to make a toy drum set sound amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you do it. You just hire yourself a world-class sound engineer and get him in the studio for what, 20 minutes?
I guess so.
And it sounds incredible. You know, and the thing about these kits are we make fun of them. They're fun, but they get a lot of kids started playing drums. And so
My son
Yeah.
is literally played on this, and
Yeah.
he learned the drums on this.
yeah, so all things considered, we make fun of them, but they're really, really a great entry-level option for like $50. You can even find them for cheaper than that.
Totally.
You know, if it means a kid getting started on drums or not, I would say go ahead and get yourself one of these toy drum sets. Because I mean, it's really easy to just take to the gig. You just pick it up and get it.
The snare head is just done.
I was trying to be ginger with it, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and please share in the comments below. What else do you want to see from us here on YouTube? We got such talented people here at Drumeo and Musora, all of all different instruments, piano, guitar, recording, drumming, all this kind of stuff, and we're happy to help you with whatever you need. Victor, thanks for coming out,
Thank you, man. It's fun.
being a part of it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.